Good afternoon and welcome to the Blue Line Metals Edge here for Wednesday, November 30th. I'm Phillip Streible, Chief Market Strategist at Blue Line Futures. A lot of volatility in the market, so let's get right into it here. If you haven't jumped in, jump into our website here, bluelinefutures.com. Be sure to go and look at the research here. Sign up for a free 2-week trial on the research. You can do so by clicking this button right here. Scroll down. We made some modifications to a few different research reports, like the FX rundown. I'm still continuing to build on the tactical insights, give you guys a little bit more data. We're going to be sending out more of those seasonal trades because there's a lot of them coming into the end of the year. The 15 seasonals that we track starting from basically December 1st on into the beginning of next year. 14 of them are on the long side, so it tells you that investor sentiment is to the long side today, and I think we were seeing some of that positioning early on. So looking at the FX rundown, a lot of you guys have been following this because I do give you actual buy-sell signals, the risk management, where a suggested trailing stop would go, where the buy trigger's at, where your sell trigger's at, where the market settles at the day before, and what your open trade equity is. So if you're trading currencies, this is a great tool to use. And then what I added, which is a little bit different, was I added those probable ranges on the different currencies. I added gold. Remember, gold is a currency. It's not necessarily just a precious metal. And then also I added Bitcoin and Ether. I know a lot of you guys hate Bitcoin and Ether, but I do get a lot of questions. When's it going to break out? When is the support level on it? Should we be involved with it? So I wanted to put those out there for you. Looking at the markets today, again, that volatility, this is kind of the big thing right here. At 1:30 Central, Jerome Powell is going to speak. We saw the ADP data come out a little bit softer than expected. That's what pushed those markets up right away. So you look at, this is kind of a 15-minute silver chart. A lot of FOMO, a lot of anxiety, a lot of open wicks here when we broke through that $22. Since then, we backed off. We bounced back up one more time, but they're really waiting to see what happens as far as the markets are concerned. The gold market had a similar setup, kind of broke out a few times to the upside, then simmered down as the dollar index started to gain some steam. The copper market shot off to the upside as well. Crude oil market punching back up to the upside. Additionally, you could look here. I could set this to a daily chart for you and you'll be able to see that here. So we go to a daily and we're starting to turn back up on crude oil. A lot of you guys long crude oil. We're going to take off some of those positions. We're going to wait and see if we can pump back into the high 70s and then get back long again. So looking at tactical insights, though, not really anything too new standing out here market-wise. Again, like I said, some volatility in here. Natural gas coming back could be an opportunity to get a call spread going on that. The wheat market, we put out a call spread as well. Cotton was almost slimming up. A lot of you guys are in that. The gold and silver, if we could get silver to break down, we are going to look at the upside on the futures. I'd say right around that 2090 level with a stop down at 2040 on the gold market. We really need that breakdown 1722 or lower in order to get in there. One of the big flyers though today was the platinum market. Check out this January platinum turning right up like a boss. Now remember, platinum has one of the best seasonal tendencies. It starts today. You get out on January 26th, you buy April platinum. It's gone up 15 out of 15 years. You do have another spot here if we do get a correction where you buy it on December 9th, sell it out on that 26th as well, gone up 15 out of 15 years. So you'll see also silver's going to have a seasonal long pattern towards the end of the month in December. Crude oil as well. A few others, the S&P 500. A lot of people have puts on the S&P. We get that serious flush. We're going to be looking at adding on the long side. If you guys got any questions, you want to check out the FX rundown, let me know. I'll just forward it over to you as well. Give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures and option trading does involve risk of loss. May not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.